Hello, and welcome to your Roomba orientation. Let your robots clean routinely so you don't have to. I'll be helping you and Roomba get to know each other better. Because the more you learn about Roomba, the more time you'll save. And the more Roomba learns about you and your space, the cleaner your whole house will be. So how does Roomba get your floors so clean? Roomba uses a vacuum, a series of brushes, and a corner cleaning side brush. While Roomba is cleaning, it uses an array of advanced sensors and complex patterns and movements. To methodically clean your whole floor. The important thing to remember is to have a little patience with Roomba. Let it do its thing and don't guide it to spots. It may take a little longer than you pushing an upright around, but that's the beauty of Roomba. You aren't doing it. When Roomba finds a particularly dirty area, you'll see this blue light turn on. And Roomba will clean more thoroughly in that spot. Roomba's light touch bumper feature helps Roomba find its way around or even under your furniture and lets it clean right up to the edge of any wall. Pretty cool, huh? Well, that's pretty much all you need to know about Roomba. I think you and your robot will be very happy together. It may take a little longer than you to clean a room, but remember, Roomba cleans routinely, so you don't have to.